Hello students, I hope that all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Please stay inside your homes. So in the previous video, I discussed the first and second stanza of the poem Ice Cream Man. Now it's the time to learn about the third and fourth stanza. The third stanza: vanilla, chocolate, strawberry or chili things to drink from bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. So students, the third stanza refers to the different flavors of ice cream that the ice cream man has in his cart. The ice cream man sells different flavors of ice cream like vanilla, chocolate and strawberry. Not only the different flavors of ice cream, the ice cream man also sells different flavors of soft drinks, and these soft drinks are of various colors. So in the hot summer days, it's an eye-soothing sight for all of us to see the ice cream man. As we know that whenever the ice cream man comes, we can eat the ice cream and drink different types of soft drinks. Now it's the time for the fourth stanza. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and sweet peas, the way the children cluster around, as thick as honeybees. The third stanza refers to a comparison between the ice cream cart and the flower bed of roses and sweet peas. Now you may ask that why there is a comparison between the ice cream cart and the flower bed of roses and sweet peas. There is a comparison between the ice cream cart and the flower bed of roses and sweet peas because whenever in summer season we find or we see the ice cream man, we get a relaxation that now we can eat something chilly. That's why we compare the ice cream cart with the flower bed of roses and sweet peas. Now some difficult words. I am going to read some difficult words. You have to read these difficult words at home. Blaze, frosty fizz, chocolate, vanilla, cluster, side, joyful, moans, beneath, trundling, strawberry. These words you will read at your homes. Now some word meanings. Joyful, full of joy, blaze, bright flame of fire, sight, scene, moans, heap of, pile, gather, around means cluster, trundling, moving on, small, broad wheels. Okay, so students, here are some more word meanings. Frosty fizz means chilled drink making a hissing and bubbling sound. Beneath, in a lower position or under. Peas, a small round green seed eaten as a vegetable. Generally, peas means a small round green seed eaten as a vegetable, but in the context of this poem Ice Cream Man, this meaning will be illustrated. Sweet peas means a climbing plant of the pea family, widely cultivated for its colorful fragrant flowers. And the meaning of honey bees, it's an insect that make honey. Now I want to add something more in this video. Students, the last two lines of the fourth stanza, the way the children cluster around as thick as honeybees. Here the poetess wants to describe one thing, that the honeybees cluster around the flowers to suck flowers. Similarly, the children cluster around the cart of ice cream man to buy ice cream so they can enjoy delicious ice creams in the summer season. Another thing I need to tell you students, the explanation of the entire poem is given in a PDF file. You have to download that one from your school website and you have to read that thing very carefully. Some question answers are also given over there. You have to read that questions and answer the questions by your own. So please study properly at your home and please prepare the word meanings and the explanation of the poem. You have to read and you have to understand it very carefully. If any problem, any query, you can ask me. Thank you very much. Please stay healthy inside your homes.